Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today I'm going to present you about the history of La Liga. La Liga is the men's top professional football division of the Spanish football league system. Administered by the Liga Nacional de Fútbol Profesional, is contested by 20 teams, with the 3 lowest placed teams at the end of each season relegated to the Segunda Division and replaced by the top 2 teams and a playoff winner in that division. A total of 62 teams have competed in La Liga since its inception. 9 teams have been crowned champions, with Real Madrid winning the title a record 34 times and Barcelona 26 times. During the 1940s, Valencia, Atletico Madrid and Barcelona emerged as the strongest clubs, winning several titles. Real Madrid and Barcelona dominated the championship in the 1950s, each winning 4 La Liga titles during the decade. During the 1960s and 1970s, Real Madrid dominated La Liga, winning 14 titles, with Atletico Madrid winning 4. During the 1980s and 1990s, Real Madrid were prominent in La Liga, but the Basque clubs of Athletic Club and Real Sociedad had their share of success, each winning 2 Liga titles. From the 1990s onward, Barcelona have dominated La Liga, winning 16 titles to date. Although Real Madrid has been prominent, winning 9 titles, La Liga has also seen other champions, including Atletico Madrid, Valencia, and Deportivo La Coruña. According to UEFA's league coefficient rankings, La Liga has been the top league in Europe in each of the 7 years from 2013 to 2019, calculated using accumulated figures from 5 preceding seasons, and has led Europe for 22 of the 60 ranked years up to 2019, more than any other country. It has also produced the continent's top-rated club more times, 22, than any other league in that period, more than double that of second-placed Serie Italy, including the top club in 10 of the 11 seasons between 2009 and 2019. Each of these pinnacles was achieved by either Barcelona or Real Madrid. La Liga clubs have won the most: UEFA Champions League 18, UEFA Europa League 12, UEFA Super Cup 15, and FIFA Club World Cup 7 titles, and its players have accumulated the highest number of Ballon d'Or awards, 23, the best FIFA Men's Player awards including FIFA World Player of the Year, 19, and UEFA Men's Player of the Year awards including UEFA Club Footballer of the Year, 11. La Liga is one of the most popular professional sports leagues in the world, with an average attendance of 26,933 for league matches in the 2018-19 season. This is the 8th highest of any domestic professional sports league in the world, and the 3rd highest of any professional association football league in the world, behind the Bundesliga and the Premier League, and above the other 2 so-called Big 5 European leagues, Serie A and Ligue 1. La Liga is also the 6th wealthiest professional sports league in the world by revenue, after the NFL, MLB, the NBA, the Premier League, and the NHL. That's all about the history of La Liga. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.